Welcome back. In the previous class we have discussed about second concept, that is section formula, midpoint formula and examples on section formula. Now we are going to solve examples on midpoint formula and also we will discuss about third concept, that is area of triangle. Let's come to the example, that is find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line joining 2 points 4, 7 and 6, 9. So what is a midpoint formula? Midpoint formula is given by x, y is equal to, this is coordinate of the point P. This is coordinate of the point P, that P is midpoint of the line segment AB. P is the midpoint of the line segment AB. When P divides the line AB equally, that is M is to N, that is equally, M is equal to N, then what is a midpoint formula? That is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is the midpoint formula, and we need to find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line joining. Coordinates of midpoint. Coordinates of the midpoint of the line joining 2 points 4, 7 and 6, 9. So let us consider these points, that is 4, 7 as A, that is x1, y1, and B point is 6, 9, which is equal to x2, y2. What is midpoint formula? Midpoint formula is given by x, y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is x, y is equal to, what is x1 plus x2? So x1 plus x2 is nothing but 4 plus 6 by 2. And y1 plus y2 is 7 plus 9 by 2. So this is equal to 10 by 2 and this is 16 by 2. So this is what? 5, 8. Okay. So coordinates of the midpoint. What are the coordinates of the midpoint? That is 5, 8 is the answer. Next example. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line joining 2 points A minus B, A plus B and A plus B, A minus B. Let us consider these 2 points as A and B, which is A point is taken as x1, y1 and B point is taken as x2, y2. Okay, and we know the midpoint formula, that is coordinates of midpoint is x, y, which is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So what is x1? A minus B plus x2, that is A plus B by 2, and y1 plus y2 is A plus B plus A minus B. So minus B plus B will get cancelled, and here also plus B minus B will get cancelled. So A plus A is 2A by 2 and here A plus A is 2A by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Here also 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Therefore, coordinates of the midpoint is given by A, A. Okay. Next example. If 2, 1 and minus 1, minus 3 and 4, 5 are 3 consecutive vertices of a parallelogram, find the fourth vertex. Okay, so 3 consecutive vertices of a parallelogram are given. We need to find the fourth vertex. Let us take these 3 consecutive vertices, that is A, B, C. So consecutive vertices, okay, continuous vertices, the first 3 vertices ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So we need to find the fourth vertex. Let A is 2, 1, B is -1, -3, and C is 4, 5. So fourth vertex we need to find. That vertex is, let it be x, y. We need to find the fourth vertex. Okay. By data parallelogram. So these are the vertices of a parallelogram. So by the property of parallelogram, so in parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay, opposite sides are parallel and equal, and also diagonals bisect each other. Nothing but their midpoints are equal. That is, midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Okay, so by data ABCD is a parallelogram. The diagonals bisect each other, therefore their midpoints are equal. That is, midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Then what is midpoint of AC? Formula. Applying the formula. Midpoint of AC, that formula is given by, so A point to C point to 3. What is A point? x1, y1, and C point is x2, y2. So midpoint of A and C is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, that is 2 plus 4 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, that is 1 plus 5 by 2, which is equal to midpoint of B and D. That is, B point is -1, -3, which is taken as x1, y1. D point is, that is x2, y2. So midpoint of BD is given by x1 plus x2 is -1 plus x by 2. y1 plus y2 is -3 plus y by 2. So solving, then we get, that is 6 by 2 and 6 by 2, which is equal to this coordinates. That is 2 into 3, 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 2 ones are, 2 threes are. Therefore 3, 3 is equal to this one. So two coordinates are equal only when x coordinate is equal to x coordinate and y coordinate is equal to y coordinate. So 3 is equal to -1 plus x by 2 and 3 is equal to -3 plus y by 2. So on equating we get -1 plus x by 2 is equal to 3 and -3 plus y by 2 is equal to 3. So this implies -1 plus x is equal to 6 and -3 plus y is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 plus 1, that is 7, and y is equal to 6 plus 3, that is 9. Therefore, fourth vertex is D is equal to x, y, and we got the values of x and y. What is that? 7, 9 will be the fourth vertex. So that is the answer. Next, that is area of triangle. So area of triangle ABC, whose vertices, that is vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So the area of triangle ABC, whose vertices A of x1, y1, B of x2, y2, and C of x3, y3 is given by formula. Area of triangle ABC, that is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. Okay, simple. 1, 2, 3. Next 2, 3, 1. Next 3, 1, 2. Okay, area of triangle ABC, that is given by 1 by 2 x1, 1 at the next neighbor 3, y2 minus y3, 1, 2, 3. Next, plus x2 of 2 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 3 ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. So that is y3 minus y1. Next, plus x3 of 3 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1. y1 minus y2. So what is the area of triangle formula? That is 1 by 2 of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So we have a note that is the area of triangle is taken as positive. The area of triangle is taken as positive when the vertices of this triangle appears anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise direction vertices, okay, anti-clockwise direction ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ vertices appear ಆಯ್ದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ that area is taken to be positive. Otherwise it is taken to be negative. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ಲಾಕ್-ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ವರ್ಟೈಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಗಡಿಯಾರದಲ್ರಿ 12, 6, 3, 9. ಸೊ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ನಮ್ದು ಟೈಮ್ ನಡೆದು ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. 12 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್. ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕ ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಅಂತಾರ. ಸೊ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ when vertices appear anti-clockwise and is negative when vertices appear clockwise. So negative area ಇದ್ದಾಗ as area is a positive quantity, area ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಟೈಮ್, area, etc. These are measured in positive quantity. ಈ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏರಿಯಾ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಮಾಡ್. ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ -15 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಏರಿಯಾ -15 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರ -15 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಡುವಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಏರಿಯಾ ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 12 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದೇವೆ ಅಂತೇವೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಹೇಳುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಡುವಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಮಾಡ್ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ -15 ಈಸ್ +15. ಮಾಡ್ ಆಫ್ -15 ಈಸ್ +15 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೀವು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಒಳಗಿಟ್ರಂದ್ರ ಅದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ವೆನ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ದ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್. As the area is positive quantity, so the area is positive quantity, it is always measured in positive quantity. So negative idaga modulus ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Next, second note. That second note is the condition for collinearity. That is a of x1, y1. The 3 points of the triangle ABC are said to be collinear. Collinear ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? That is they lie on the same straight line. So collinear. So that is they lie on the same straight line. That is a of x1, y1 and b of x2, y2 and c of x2, y2 and c of x3, y3. They lie on a single straight line. This is condition for this is the definition for collinear. Okay, so the 3 points are said to be collinear. That is they lie on a same line. Okay, what is the condition? condition is, so ಈ straight line ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಏನಿರ್ತದ್ರಿ? What is in terms of area? Okay, ಲೈನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಏನು? ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಪಾತ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಪಾತ್, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಓಕೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್, no area is nothing but area of triangle ABC is 0. So triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is 0 antandre the given points are collinear. Okay, collinear antandre condition eno? What is the condition? So 3 points are said to be collinear if and only if area of triangle ABC is 0. Area 0 ittandre the given points are collinear. Okay, so we have to note. Okay, we have to note. First note is the area of triangle is taken to be positive when the vertices appear anti-clockwise. Okay, otherwise it is taken to be negative. In this case, the absolute value is taken as the area is positive quantity. And second condition is 3 points that is collinear. They are said to be collinear. Then the area is 0. Otherwise, okay, and conversely also. Okay, condition for 3 points to be collinear is area of triangle ABC is 0. So using the concept of distance formula, what is the condition for collinearity? A distance formula concept ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what is the condition for collinearity? That is AC is equal to AB plus BC. Using the concept of area of triangle ಒಳಗ ಏನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್? ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ collinearity is area of triangle ABC is 0. Okay, so concept, using the concept of distance formula, we have the condition that is AC is equal to AB plus BC. Using the concept of area of triangle, what is the condition for collinearity? That is area of triangle ABC is 0. So ನೀವು area 0 ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ the given points are collinear. Okay, so let's come to the examples. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 3, 4, 2, -1 and 4, -6. So let us consider these points as A, B, C, which is equal to, this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. C point is taken as x3, y3. We know the formula that area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 into x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. So that is equal to, so area of triangle ABC. So formula, area of triangle formula is 1/2 x1 of 1 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ? 2 y2 minus y3 plus x2 of 2 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ? 3 y3 minus y1 plus x3 of 3 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ? 1. Okay, y1 minus y2, 3 vertices. So this is equal to 1/2. What is x1? 3. Okay, substitution ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ y2 minus y3? x1 is 3, y2 minus y3. y2 is -1, y3 is minus, y2 is -1 minus y3. Okay, plus what is x2? 2. y3 minus y1. y3 minus y1. What is y3? -6 minus y1 plus what is x3? 4. y1 minus y2. y1 is 4 minus of -1. Signs kadenu laksirli. Okay, negative, positive while simplification. So simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ನೆನಪಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪ್ ಇದ್ರು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ತಪ್ಪಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ರಿ, ದೆನ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಾಂಗ್. ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇರ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ, ತಪ್ಪು ಬರ್ತದ. ಸೊ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ -1 + 6 + 2 into -10 + 4 into 5. So this is equal to 1/2. 3 into 5 plus 2 into -10 plus 4 into 5. So this is equal to 1/2. 15 minus 20 plus 20. So these two will get cancelled. Answer is 15/2 square units. Okay, so 15/2 square units. Next example. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 3, -5, -3, -2 and 2, 1. Let us take these vertices as A, B, C. A vertex A is taken as x1, y1. Vertex B is taken as x2, y2. And vertex C is taken as x3, y3. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. What is area of triangle ABC? That is 1/2 into x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. Substituting these values, then we get 1/2. What is x1? x1 is 3. x1 is 3. What is y2 minus y3? y2 minus y3 is -2 -1. Okay, plus what is x2? -3 into y3 minus y1. y3 is 1 minus y1. y3 is 1 minus y1. So that is y3 is 1 minus y1. Signs correct agirli. So 1 plus 5. Okay, plus that is x3 is 2. x3 is 2. And next is y1 minus y2. x3 of y1 minus y2. y1 is -5 minus y2 is -2. So this is -5 plus 2. So this is equal to 1/2. 3 into -3 and plus into minus is -3 into 6 plus 2, and this is into -3 is -9. -3 into 6 is -18, and 2 into -3 is equal to -6, which is equal to, so -9 -18 -6 is equal to -33. That is -33/2. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂತ್ರಿ, ಏರಿಯಾ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂತು. ಈ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಏನಂತ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್? ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್? ಮಾಡ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ -33/2 ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. We know that mod of any number is positive. Mod of -2 is +2, mod of +2 is 2, mod of -4 is +4, mod of +4 is also 4. Okay, so on. So modulus of this number -33/2, ಈ modulus ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is positive. Mod of any real number is always positive. That is 33/2 square units. Okay, next example. Show that the points -5, 1, 5, and 10, 7 are collinear. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು? The given points, okay, the given points are collinear. Okay, so ಎರಡು ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು using the concept of distance formula. ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಬಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಸಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಓಕೆ, collinear. What is the condition for collinearity? That is area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವೇನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕೋಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಏನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಿ, ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ 0. ಏರಿಯಾ 0 ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕೋಲಿನಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC. That is formula 1 by 2 of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. Substituting the values. So this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. Third point is x3, y3. Substituting the values. That is x1 is minus 5 1 by 2 into minus 5. What is y2 minus y3? 5 minus 7. And next is plus x2 value is 5. What is y3 minus y1? That is 7 minus 1. Plus x3 is 10. Okay, what is y1 minus y2? 1 minus 5. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 5. That is, this is minus 2 plus 5. 7 minus 1 is 6 plus 10. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. So 1 by 2. Minus 5 into minus 2 is plus 10. 5 into 6 is 30. 10 into minus 4 is minus 40. So plus 40 minus 40 is 0. 0 by anything is 0. So since we showed that is area of triangle ABC is 0. So area 0 anta prove madidvi. Therefore the given points are collinear. Okay, so next example, for what value of A the points 1, 4, A, minus 2 and minus 3, 16 are collinear. So for what value of A the points 1, 4, A, minus 2 and minus 3, 16 are collinear. So value of A the points are collinear anta ತೋರ್ಸಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So let us consider the given points as A, B, C. A is 1, 4, B is A, minus 2 and C is minus 3, 16. So by data the given points are collinear. So by data the given points are collinear. So given points are collinear ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ area is 0 ಇರ್ತದ. Since the given points are collinear, that implies area of triangle is 0. Area of triangle formed by these points is 0. So what is area of triangle? That formula is 1 by 2 x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. So applying the formula, that is equal to 1 by 2. So since the points are collinear, nothing but area will be 0. Okay, already collinear ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾರಿ. Nothing but what is the condition for collinearity? That is area of triangle ABC is 0. Since the points are collinear, that is area of triangle ABC is 0. So applying the formula and substituting the values, then we get x1. This is x1. What is y2 minus y3? Minus 2 minus 16. Plus x2, okay, x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into that is y1 minus y2. So this is equal to 1 by 2, 1 into minus 18 plus a into 12 minus 3 into 6. So which is equal to 1 by 2. This is minus 18 into 1 is minus 18 and 12 into a is 12a. And this is 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. So this is minus 18 is minus 36 and this is 12a, therefore plus 12a minus 36 by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore denominator term will go to the right side. 12a minus 36 is equal to 0. Therefore 12a is equal to 36. Therefore a is equal to 3. 12 ones are 12 threes are. Therefore we got the value of a as 3. Okay. For this point, that is the given points are collinear. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮ್ದೇನಾಯ್ತು ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ದು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 1 ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್. ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ chapter, that is first PUC coordinate geometry ಒಳಗ first chapter, that is straight line. So ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ದೇನಾದ್ರೆ ರಿವಿಷನ್, that bridge course ಆಯ್ತು. Next we'll continue the new chapter, that is straight line, in the next video. Thank you.